Dear friends, and today's chapter is going to be in the kitchen of in our sweet home in Vrindavan, and we are together with Yanava from Hedda.
Hare Krishna.
So thank you, and from Colombia directly, and we are with Bon Maharaj from Chile, directly from the beautiful country of Chile. All of you know how beautiful it is. And then we are with the most wonderful all over the planet Earth, in all the universe, the only, unique, and without the second, Sandhya Ma
Hare Krishna, Haribol.
from Bangladesh.
Yes.
And then we have our dearest friend from Guyana. Can you say your name?
My name is Harijan from Guyana.
And who else we got here? We got our friend Mataji.
Mataji
Nam.
Naam Radha.
Radha. She's doing our painting, the natural painting made of cow dung, you know, the natural stuff. You know what is stick here in the wall? It's that. And that's going to become the painting. And they are the village experts. No one can do it as they do. Really beautiful. All of our guest houses, you can see, is made out of this paste, which is a natural paste mix of mud, earth, and the cow dung. Let's go back to the kitchen, because today's chapter is going to be in the kitchen and with the most amazing people. Oh, she's also part of the painting group. Nam?
Naam Maya.
Maya. Her name is Maya Illusion, and we are cooking an amazing feast. We are with all these great souls here. Namagdalo. And cooking a whole feast. We already finished the rice. It was very difficult for me to make the rice, but I finished the rice. No, actually she made the rice. That's why she's laughing. I can never do such a beautiful thing. You see how beautiful it is. So it's a yellow gourmet rice with a touch of peas and carrots, so nicely cut. You can see it there. And we have here the classical Colombian buñuelos. If you have ever gone to Colombia, you know buñuelos is one of the best things. Just find them here. So yummy, so tasty. So we are cooking the rice, and here I can't show you, but we are doing beans, delicious beans. They are called, in Hindi they call it rajma. Let me just focus the camera. So then we got the rice, we got the beans, we got the buñuelos. Oh, and this is, she's just finishing the gluten.
Not finished.
He's making this.
Sillaco people killer. 100% gluten. Pure.
Gluten free, thank you. And my preparation is this one, which you see here. This is my preparation. No one here can claim. Gluten free. And this is some nicely cut potatoes with nicely cut tomatoes, with nicely cut capsicum, eggplant, carrot. So it's a mixture of vegetables with cream, the creamy sauce, paneer, cheese on the top. Then we put it on the oven. So let me just stop here because they are already complaining that we have to continue cooking. but I will show you more because today this is actually a chapter I wanted to do since I started this channel. I really wanted to cook with Sandy Ama, our cook, for already 5 years, and I'm praying she will stay here for 95 more years. And
দেখো এটা প্রথমে ওভেনে দাও একটু হ্যাঁ না তো একটু একটু কুক হয়ে যাবে তারপরে আমরা পনির এন্ড চিজ ডালবো
ঠিক আছে
if I put paneer cheese after ऊपर pan नीचे no cook
তো এখন এটা
হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে. She's giving me instructions. I have to stop here. Please guys, pardon me. I'm taking the cylinder to the gas oven. It's a little heavy, so let me present to you our dearest oven. Here we have cooked bread, pizza, baked pasta, cakes, cheesecakes. So we bought also a gas oven. We just turn on the fire. Thank you. So take a look before it's baked and take a look after it is baked. Oh. Let's wait a few minutes and then we will add the paneer, we'll add the cheese, we'll add the cream and maybe a final touch of oregano. Let's see. So dear friends, we are almost done with the cooking, and today is also the beginning. It's called the Basant Panchami, or the beginning of the springtime. You know, springtime is maybe one of the best times of the year, and here in India they celebrate many things at the same time. They do Basant Panchami, which means the beginning of the spring. They also do the Saraswati Puja. Saraswati Puja is the worship to the goddess of knowledge. We are now speaking about knowledge. So Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. Whether you want to learn art, music, science, whatever you want to learn, you should pray to the goddess Saraswati because she's the goddess of knowledge. So we are celebrating many things at the same time today. So I just want to give you this small message that always try to go for the knowledge which is acquired by the experience, by the realization. Don't try to become a scholar uselessly. The knowledge that you get by the experience will always be much deeper than the knowledge that you get by reading books. We're almost done here. It's smelling really good. Let's take a closer look. It's like when you cook. You may read the recipe several times, but you will never become an expert unless you really practice it. You know, I read many recipes in my life, but I never, you know, even now I cannot do a bread nicely. I cannot do a pizza nicely. Why? Because I read so many times, but I never done that many times. You may do it 1 time or 2 times, but in order to get that realization, that real experience, and to get some real concrete knowledge, you have to actually do it. So it comes to the same point. We're talking about knowledge acquired by scholarship and knowledge acquired by realization, by experience. So always try to go by the knowledge which is acquired by the realization, because it will always be deeper, even in the kitchen. Final cleaning touches, because in kitchen 2 things must always be there: cleanliness and timing. We have come to the end of our video today. Next week we're going to come with a very surprising new content, visiting new places. So please keep in touch, keep watching the videos, like them, share them with everyone you think is going to like them, and
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Can you tell everyone to subscribe? So this is the call to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another new video.